Hello baby crow! Today we have on the review one more model of car seat from the Italian brand Chicco KidFit Zip Air. This car seat is designed for the transportation of children aged 4 years old until they can travel independently without a car seat. Comfortable and folding, which is a rather interesting feature among car seats. But let's talk more about it. Specifications. The seat is designed for use by children aged 4 to 12 years old, with a height from 97 to 145 centimeters and weighing from 14 to 50 kilograms. The feature of this model is the possibility of using Chicco KidFit both with and without the backrest. This option is more suitable for somewhat heavier children. The lower part of the backrest is equipped with special hooks which fasten to the seat, so it's easy to disconnect or attach the backrest. The seat is installed in the car only in the direction of the movement. It is fixed to the ISOFIX hinges using a special belt system for fixing, super cinch latch. Due to this, the seat is securely mounted in the car. To get the fixing, press the orange button in front of the seat and pull the fixing in the lower back part of the seat. After fixing the seat, press it to the car seat and pull the belt in front of the seat, so it will be securely fixed. The child is fixed in the car seat with the 3-point seat belts, since there are no built-in belts in this model. Nevertheless, the seat belts occupy the correct position due to the special guides. For greater visibility, they are usually of different color and stand out against the background of the seat. To fix the child, pass the upper part of the belt through the orange guide near the headrest and lower one under the guides on both sides of the seat. In the case if only the booster is used for the correct position of the seat belts, there is a shoulder clip located below the seat. Protection at lateral shocks is provided by the unique DuoZone technology of side protection. The backrest of the seat can be adjusted in a comfortable position according to the age and height of the baby in 10 positions. You need to press the button behind the headrest and choose the desired position. ErgoBoost. This technology makes the seat ergonomic. It is extremely important for the child's spine. The soft insertion with an additional tribal cover is included into the seat kit. There is a changeable, comfortable footrest. Your child will be able to take a very comfortable position, especially useful for long journeys. There are 2 cup holders. They can be folded or removed if necessary. A container with a special base fixed in the cup holder is also available in the seat kit. Your child will be able to keep snacks or other things there. The fabric of the seat is made according to 3D AirMesh technology. These are the air channels that create the maximum air circulation. This way your kid will sit like on an airbag. The upholstery of the seat is made according to zip and wash technology. It is easily removed for washing as it is fixed on the zippers. The weight of this car seat is 5.5 kilograms. This means that it is lightweight. Chicco KidFit Zip Air car seat belongs to the second and third category. The feature of the seat is the possibility of its use without a backrest, in the form of a booster. The seat is equipped with ErgoBoost technology, which provides its anatomic effect. Also, there is an additional footrest, which is extremely convenient. Thank you for being with us today. We work for you. See you in the next videos.